Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jemima. Happy New Year in advance. Today I'm going to be in my relaxed mood. As you can see from the background, I'm at home and this is my brother's top. Okay, like we roll as usual. Today I am going to be answering the questions that you guys asked me some weeks back, some months back. That's what I'm going to be handling today. And with my phone, by the way, my other phone. So I have the questions. So the first question, okay, well, this is not a question. This person said, I want to say a big thank you for always showing up when I post. You're like a motivation to me. Even when I think of giving up, your comments on my videos always make me have a routine. Thank you and God bless you. Oh, thank you so much. Thanks for your kind words. This person said, I don't have a question. Just want to say that you're an inspiration to many of us in medical school for a second degree. God bless you for all you do, Miss Eteng. Thank you very much once again for your kind words. This person said, please update us on your textbooks and other resources you've used for your 400 level. Thank you. Really enjoyed all of your videos. Okay, thank you. First of all, thank you very much for your kind words. Okay, so the reason why you guys have not seen me post anything about pathology or pharmacology is that I'm still a 400 level medical student. I've not yet moved into 500 level, so I don't feel like it's right for me to upload tips and tricks on 400 level when I am still in 400 level. I've not written my 400 level MB. I feel like if I have written my 400 level MB and I've moved on to 500 level, I'll be able to know what helped me. I'll be able to see the reward of my labor. I'll be able to have evidence that, okay, this and this and this is what I did and this is what helped me. But a situation where I'm still in 400 level, I'm still struggling, looking for what exactly is working for me, I don't think that I'm in the right place to give any advice to 400 level medics. So until at least I am ready to write 400 level main MB, which is by God's grace later on this year. It depends on whenever I put up this video. If I put up this video in 2023, Happy New Year. So it all depends on when exactly I move on to 500 level. That's when I'll now start putting up tips and tricks for distinctions in 400 level. Okay, the next question says, okay, she said, I love you, Ma. You're a loving and understanding mentor. That's all I have to say. Oh, thank you very much. I'm feeling so encouraged by these messages, honestly. Thank you very much, guys. This one says, how do you cope with the delays in the course of your study? Don't you feel bad about it? To be honest, the strikes are becoming too many. I feel, I don't know, how do I put it? How do I cope? I just get myself preoccupied with other things. YouTube is not the only extracurricular activity I'm getting myself involved in. MBBS medical school is not the only thing that I'm doing. So whenever there's a delay like that, I try to get myself involved in other things that will make me happy, other things that will keep me productive. If you've not seen my video on how I stay productive during the holidays, I'll put the link up for you. I think you should see that video. And that's what I did during my holidays. And I also use this ASU strike period to rest. Yes, I feel really bad about those delays, that at my age, I'm still a medical student. At my age, I'm still a student. And at my age, I'm still dependent on my parents for school fees. So to be honest with you, yes, I get really upset. Yes, I feel bad sometimes, but I mean, life goes on. The fact that I'm alive, I mean, it's a testimony. For those who do not know my health struggles, I'll put the link up for you in case you've not seen that video. I've struggled with my health a lot. So the fact that I am alive in the first place is enough for me to be grateful. So right now, I'm not so bothered about the fact that I'm being delayed in medical school. I'm rather grateful to be alive. The next person said, what's your advice for someone trying to fit in and have friends? Wow. Why should you have to fit in the first place? If you're in a situation where you can't find anyone to be a friend to you, if you're in your authentic self, and I feel like that's not the right space for you. If you have to fit into a particular container to be able to be friends with anybody, that person should not be your friend. A friend should be someone that would accept you the way you are, and you too should be able to accept that person the way the person is. So I don't feel like you should have to fit into any kind of container to be able to make friends. Just be your authentic self, and the kind of people that fit your personality will gravitate towards you, or rather you will gravitate towards the kind of people that fit your personality. If you have to keep up to any kind of reputation or any kind of container for you to make friends, you would find it difficult keeping up to that character for on the long run. So I mean, what's the need making friends when they won't be people that will be with you for a long time? Okay, this person said, please, I would like you to talk about other aspects of medics apart from MBBS, like nursing, radiography, optometry, med lab. Please, I appreciate if you give my idea due consideration, please. Okay, so actually, this is a very nice one. It's just that for now, I really do not have friends in radiography, MLS, optometry, and even physiotherapy, and my school do not have these courses. So it's kind of difficult for me to reach out to students from these other departments that you've mentioned. But be rest assured that once I have any little opportunity to network with students from these other aspects of medicine, I will definitely collaborate with that person. But for now, I'm only surrounded by medical students, so that's why you see me interview just medical students on this channel. So, but be rest assured, I have this in mind. Definitely, once I have any opportunity to collaborate with anybody that is in med lab, physiotherapy, nursing, or any other department in medicine, I will definitely bring that person on this channel for you. So don't feel left out, please. Okay, this person is asking me, would you get married or have children while you're in school if you have the opportunity? Wow, this is a very nice question. To be honest, no, I won't. And by the way, the fact that I don't have children right now, it's a choice, okay? It's not like I'm waiting for any particular opportunity to have children. No. I have every opportunity to have my children right now while still in medical school, but no, I made that personal decision to start a family after medical school. Medical school is very stressful. I don't think I have what it takes to combine medicine and childbearing. Nah. Those of you that are doing it, kudos, you guys are really trying. I don't think I have the capacity to combine both. To answer your question, no, even if I have the opportunity, and yes, I have the opportunity, and my decision is still a very huge, fat, big no. Okay, the next question said, honestly, I love your videos. Oh, thank you very much. But I have a question. I'm in 100 level and I want to get a 5.0 and be in distinction like you and your friends. But now, how can I learn to study smart and not hard? Okay, here's a very nice question. I have a whole dedicated playlist for those medics that want to have distinctions. I'll put the link up for you in case you've not seen it. What I would say is do what works for you, okay? Don't follow the crowd to do whatever the crowd is doing if it's not working for you. That's the first thing I'm going to tell you. Use your 100 level to know what works for you. Use your 100 level to know your study tips. Use your 100 level to know whatever study schedule is working for you. If you can study in the library, go to the library. If you can't study in the library, don't follow people to go to the library to study because that's what everybody is doing, okay? And I have a dedicated playlist, of course, for 100 level medics. So in case you've not seen it, I'll put the link up for you. And one more thing I'd like to tell you is please keep up with your relationship with your God. I know that it's good to study smart, it's good to study hard, but I believe that if you study and you now have God's grace backing you up, you will do very well. One more thing I'm going to tell you is do not leave any stone untouched. Do not leave any topic untouched. Study everything that you've been taught. So that's the advice that I have for you, in addition to everything that I listed in those playlists that I'm going to link up.